Can you do this little change? Just last change. But I can get this done on 500. Why are you charging so much? Also, you want 50% advance. We actually pay after 1 month, just like employees. I'm damn sure if you're a freelancer or agency owner, you have heard these weird reasons from clients or prospects across your career. So it's been 5 years for me, and I have so many horror stories literally of clients to share with you. So basically this video I made so I can share it with you, with telling you some suggestions or things which I implement now, and yeah, it will make your life easy. So if you're a freelancer, subscribe my channel and comment down your client horror story at the end after you watch it. Let's start with the ghosting client. So basically we worked this client for 30 days and we gave them weekly reports, checkups. We were very active in group, and he was also appreciative in the start. But then after 30 days, when it comes the payment time, he completely ghosts us. No payment, no replies, and no explanation. I keep following up like a maniac for 2 weeks. The frustration of opening mail and WhatsApp and thinking that he would clear my invoice or at least reply me, I was literally going mad because I did a free work for him for 30 days. I paid my team and he just ghosted me like that. So the biggest lesson I learned is that always charge 50% advance. And I know still there is a scope that they won't pay you 50% remaining, but in my case it hasn't happened much. If they gave you advance, they will give you remaining. First month is anyway a lot of trial and testing, but I've seen after 3 to 6 months it becomes very normal. Actually, if you're in my place, like if you have 3 to 5 years experience, I would suggest charge 100% advance. Seriously. Anyway, so the next one, if you haven't witnessed yet, this is the most painful one. When client comes with, after 20 edits and revisions, can you do this last change? I know I should have told you before, but this is a very small change. They become super sweet and they just come like it will just take minutes. They don't respect the time we investing for them. If a project has to be finished in 30 days, you can't extend it to 3 months. I mean, no, I know there have been some things which is pending on our part also, but you can't give just revisions and you just keep making people exploit them just on your aesthetics and designs. You can't. Either give them the references and be sure that you will get nearby of what you get thinking and not exactly, because especially what I've seen in designs thing that people keep giving the changes, which is very bad. So now though it's because of scope creep, we make sure whether it's website, whether it's anything, we keep it very strict. There are some edits or revisions which we'll do up to this limit, otherwise bye bye. And make sure you mention all of this in your contracts, in your onboarding emails. I make amazing content on Instagram regarding this. I'm just making a video on SOP. I think it will come next week. So anyway, just go and follow me on Instagram. You will love it if you're a freelancer. Now the next classic, that you can get this on Fiverr for 500 rupees. Why you are charging so much? Or I have talked to one girl before you and she was saying she can do the same work in 5K and you are saying it has to be 20K. I mean 4 times more. How? I really want to give them the answer, Abhi jao usi se kara le. But I have to keep my peace calm and composed. And I'm like, see, there are few things. We do the work in process differently. We focus on results. We make sure the team is professional. We are giving you updates timely. And all of this take time, and especially the good work take time. So if you think that girl with 5K budget is good enough to give you results, then you can go and work with them. What we have seen, what I have achieved with like 70-80% satisfaction factor with my clients, I think that our budget is quite good. If you go on the higher rates who are charging high because of the results, you will find me as an affordable. So yeah, sometimes they walk away, sometimes they stay. But whatever, cheap clients will cost you more stress, more time, literally more peace is gone. It's not worth the shot. If you are a beginner, you can try, you can do for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, but not after that. The next one is something which I don't know if it happened with you, but it literally broke me, because when people hire agencies or freelancers, they know that they're gonna work on part-time basis. If I'm working 2 to 3 hours per day for a project, you cannot expect me to give all of my time to you. You should understand I have multiple clients, I have multiple work. You cannot come give me 20,000 per month to manage all your social media and then treat me like an employee, because I'm not your employee. I won't give my full day to you, and you should understand that. Matlab, forget that people expect that. They make you feel guilty that why you're not working 5 hours. And who the hell are you to tell me that how much time I should give and how much time I shouldn't? I am giving you results, and I'm a freelancer or agency. Obviously we have multiple clients, we have team members, we give time which is regarding. With the age of AI and automations, I really don't understand why people are so obsessed that we should give all of our time to them. So this obsession is pretty sick. These clients are pretty sick because they are hiring a freelancer thinking that they will treat them employee, and even paying them like an employee after 30 days of work, like how you treat employees. It's bullshit. Companies who hire employees, they take care of their medicals, they do a lot for them. So if you're not doing that much for us, you know you're giving us pennies, please at least don't exploit us so badly. Agencies are more of like a partner collaboration kind of a thing, and not like your employee that you can boss around all the time. Feedback delay nightmare. This basically destroys your whole schedule because you want their approvals today and then you can post tomorrow. So there was this one client, Shark Tank client only, and she delays so much on the approvals. She keep ghost us for like days, I mean, you should also be like, you should some sensitivity towards the people who are working for you, yaar. If I want approval today, at least give us by tomorrow. Don't exploit like you are gone for like 4-5 days and then you're like, I'm busy. We know you are busy, we are also busy, we are not khali here. So please respect our time also. Matlab, when they come for the work, they're like, we want ASAP, we want this tomorrow, we want it now. But when it comes to approvals and edits, they take so much time. I don't know. I really don't know. I really think that business is not for everyone. People just do out of passion, or they have a lot of money of their generations, or I don't know, like they got funding by chance. But business is not for everyone, and they just keep exploiting money, people, making everyone insane in the name of what? I don't know. So this I also include now in my contract and onboarding email key. You have to reply within 2 days, 3 days, need your approvals and edits so that we can move forward to postings, and nothing got delayed. If we said that we will deliver 20 posts in your profile on a month, then we don't want to delay. We want that 20 posts should go live. अच्छा, this one is shocking because इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हमारा कुछ loss है, but it's just we don't know what to do. The people who vanish after giving the money. So a client literally paid me 50% advance upfront, and then they vanished for 2 weeks. I thought, wow, what a dream client. But then I'm in the uncertainty, like what to do. So I think this is not very good thing because you are not sure whether they come. And for an example, even there was a client who is like, we are talking, I've sent them invoice and all, but they're not starting, so they're just wasting my time. Even if someone has paid you, you are like, you want to deliver service now. So anyone who ghosts you, whether paying you before or not, they're not a good one. You want clients who are very communicative. First of all, they communicate clearly, and second, who have like a business, who are working with a lot of people already, so you know that they don't exploit much. क्योंकि अगर ऐसा होता तो उनकी कंपनी बंद हो चुकी होती अब तक. So these are the people who are just starting out, who have so much energy, and they are like just exploiting people left, right, center. The last one is funny one, which is family and friends discount. So relative asked me to manage the social media. I told them that all of this comes under 60k budget, social media and everything. And then they were like, no, we have like 40k. And I'm like, see, because you're my relative, I have already discounted and made it best up to this. If you were a normal client, I would have charged like 80k. So I've already given a discount of 20k. But they were like, no. They didn't push me to do ki you should do, but they were like, can you do in 40k? So it becomes a very messy situation. So now I'm very strict with boundaries, whether it's personal or professional. So I told them that see, quality will be affected in 40k budget, and I don't want to do bad work for you. So so it's better if you hire someone else, whatever, who you ever get. I will give some references, but we can't do in that budget. So yeah, I mean, freelancing is hard. I mean, You really need to learn how to say no, how to respect boundaries, and you really need to make very strong contracts, and onboarding emails may mention your pointers so they know, like timings, work timings of you, when they can call, when they cannot. Just tell them everything, okay? Because some people are good, they come, they really don't care much, they just see the work and they're okay. But some people I just know are insane, or they just won't keep their investing 1 rupee, they should get output of 10 rupees. I don't know. Anyway, so that's it for the video. Again, please share your horror story in the comments. Mine was pretty horror ones, but I've learned now and I'm now implementing.